Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the essentials are done. You are in Firebase Z, have a stable weapon loadout, and teammates know the plan. Once those are set, move to the lower transit shaft where the Pack-a-Punch link spawns. This ensures minimal backtrack and fewer zombie clogs. Make sure to hold a flash or stun for entry, because quick crowd control prevents a failed escort. You do this now to create breathing room for the longer setup that follows. Once at the conduit, your task is to activate nodes in order. North, central, then south. This order prevents resetting the puzzle and saves time. While one player rotates nodes, another should hold the escort route clear of zombies and bait spawns to the open side. Use a staff charge or field upgrade on the core to inject power. This converts the crate into an upgrade carrier. Continue moving with the powered crate steadily to avoid losing the charge and repeating steps. You finish by placing the energized crate on the pad and staying close until the Pack-a-Punch sequence completes. Moving too far cancels the transfer. Once the animation finishes, step forward, swap weapons to trigger the pickup, and inspect attachments to confirm the upgrade. If something goes wrong, make sure to clear remaining zombies immediately. If that fails, cycle the nodes off and on to repower the conduit and retry. This reset fixes most stuck state issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.